I'm gonna press.
Am I allowed to open my computer?
Yes, now you are. It's segment 3, and I think you should. This is the 5 travel tips of the week. How to make your trips romantic. You guys getting the theme? You guys getting the theme? All right, come on, babe. Give it to him.
Okay. Hack or tip number 1. The 3-stop romance itinerary. Free and cheap.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Stop
Okay.
1.
So stop 1, Old Town Scenic Walk.
That's free.
And then 1 shared treat, like a dessert, coffee, or street food. And then the stop 3 would be 1 wow view moment, like sunset, rooftop, or waterfront.
I have to agree with that because
I like that.
Yeah, I like that too because it was pretty romantic that when we went to Capri for the first time. I found it romantic. It's like an old town. And then we shared limoncello. Well,
Yeah.
actually, I have my own. But we shared it like together. And then we had...
Like
a view.
overlooked
And we overlooked. And that was like,
was really
honestly, it's
pretty.
one of the best moments of my life. I'll never forget that.
Yeah.
And you were in it. Be proud.
Wow, thanks. I'm so glad I was in it.
Yeah, that's a romantic. All right. So hack number 2, the split surprise budget.
Okay.
Surprises are romantic until they're expensive stress. So basically, each person gets $25 to $50 in a surprise envelope. Must be experience only, so no big gifts, and reveal it during the trip for fresh energy. So
That's cute.
yeah, I think that's cute, right? I came up with this list. I just want you to know. Sure, I'm a romantic guy, like how you say.
Hack 3 or tip 3, book the boring time slot on purpose. So the most romantic versions of places are often the least crowded. So maybe do a museum right at the opening, which we have done that. Dinner at 5:30, the golden hour, right before the rush, right? And then weeknight check-in, better upgrades, and calmer vibes. And that is definitely true. When you are traveling, weekdays are usually cheaper
Yeah.
in the hotel rooms than they are
Yeah.
on the weekends, right? Better.
Shit.
He looks fake, right?
Yeah, he looks like AI'd. All right. Yeah. No, I agree with that. You know, I think that's the great thing about like when you travel, like you're not, people are working and people are busy during the week. And if you schedule it right, like I love going home to Vicenza because during the day, like it's our city, you know, we walk that city.
Yeah.
I love it.
But just so you know, I'm going to give you a little travel tip. Hotels could be up to $200 cheaper if you're doing like a $400 a night to $500 a night. Usually during the week, it'll be like $100 to almost to $200 cheaper.
Yeah, that's a great tip, but it's not romantic. All right, so the next tip.
It was on topic.
Don't get snazzy. We don't. Let's stay romantic. Hack number 4: 1 unplugged hour daily. I like this. I mean, your clients are not because you won't respond to them. But yeah, the idea is, you know, just cut the phone for 1 hour. You know, now they're getting a little weird here with like a 3-question check-in. I don't want to question you 3 times. So I think just disconnect for an hour.
Yeah.
And just do something simple. You know, wherever you are. You know, again, going from experience, one of the best moments when we were in Verona, when we bought cheese and we just sat down.
Oh, that was really nice. It was raining and we were like, all right, let's walk around. That you didn't understand. So we were like, oh, let's go into like the little they had like a deli there, and we got pieces of like parm, cheese, all different types of cheeses, and we got like prosciutto, and we got ham and stuff. And then we found like a really cool, pretty area, and we just sat down like on the floor.
Yeah.
We got a bottle of wine.
That's right.
And it was raining, but we just sat there. And it was just so nice just to be in the city. Can you stop being an idiot?
What am I doing?
Okay. It's fun. Number
right.
5. Romance without the markup.
Ooh.
So picnic, right? Like what we were just talking about.
I know. We do that all the time.
Yeah, we do a lot of picnics because we live
because we're broke.
No, but it's so nice.
Look, DIY spa, drugstore face masks, hotel robe, and play.
So
Dude,
cute.
The thing is, I think we do this naturally because we really are strapped for cash. So I think we try to do the best that we can.
This is cute. Dessert crawl instead of a prefix menu. That's really cute.
I like that.
Love that.
Sure.
Okay, you know what I would like to add, and I think we should give them a shout out.
A shout out.
Shout out. We have this book that we have it for the family and we have it for like date night.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like what this is, right? So you go and you scratch off but before you scratch off what you need to do, it tells you like, this is the price range. It could be free. It could be.
Yeah, it has like $3 signs or $2 signs.
Right. And then or like if you're going to leave the house, it's transportation, or if you could stay at home, and then you can scratch off whatever, and you have to do whatever the book says you have to do. And then you got to take a photograph.
Yeah.
And we have that. And we've done that. We need to do one of those again.
Yeah, we're doing that soon.
Yeah. That's
I mean,
a lot of fun.
you go to Morocco for your birthday. We could do that for mine. Yeah, that's great. All right. Segment 4.